Literally, Zed, literally. Oh my god, my back like hurts really bad. You don't
Oh,
like how my
sorry.
hair.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm the
Mel,
Jump
it's
Master.
you.
I'll cut us a
Sorry.
path.
Why are you apologizing? We're gonna land hot right here and then we're
Dropping
gonna go,
in. Hang on.
go straight into rank. I got a new chair and I don't like it. It's like the angle of like that my arms rest on my desk. I don't like it. It makes me feel like all
We may have an audience.
Uh-oh.
shit.
A target landed so close I could tell him.
Oh, this is better. This is better. This is better.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Had a late start, but I'm here. I have a
In the
longbow.
corner.
I got an arc star. We got this.
I have a hemlock, but
Amigo town.
How'd that not stick somebody?
106 on that kid. Merp.
because I'm
Mel, I need comms. I need comms from my teammate.
oh, shit, sorry.
26 flash on this guy, please. I need help.
I can't. He's 40 close. Oh, you cut them.
Your squad has embraced
My
Sorry, I
R3.
took the ammo.
Eyes are
I
open
forgive, but I don't forget.
You can take that. You can take that blue. I can give you a bot.
lies behind it.
Wait, there's
Oh, there's a
fucking
guy in
blue in here. Oh, I have the wrong gun up. You need to turn
Ronnie
around.
ran through you. Finish your time.
Oh.
I'm getting fucked
I hit her
up.
70 purple.
Recharging my shields.
Oh my god, the little rat is so loud.
It's not a rat.
She had a full purple shield. Yeah, I'm so ready.
Damn right you were.
Yeah.
We're already inside the next ring.
I took this swap in this box, by the way. I'm gonna heal.
No, you
Evo
did-
shield here.
Anyone got heavy ammo they're not using? I got energy.
I literally have no ammo.
Recharging my shields.
Interesting. Me neither.
It was purposely excessively worded,
Get the
Wonder
swap.
Bread. That's the point. Okay.
Punched. Come get this swap.
Mel
Patching myself up.
stands closer.
Then come get the swap. I have
Yo, they're
5.
pushing up, I think. Yeah, they're pushing up.
I have 5 bullets and 14 in my hemlock.
I collided them with the Senti.
Crack that guy. I'm out of
He's
ammo
one.
and everything.
I have
I
nothing.
can't.
I have nothing.
longbow. I
I
have
have
longbow.
nothing. I have nothing.
I have
I need
longbow.
heavy or light. I literally need like 10 bullets.
I cannot help you.
Dude, I have nothing. Like nothing.
Okay, I knocked one with the only bullets I had. Now it's time to punch this guy out. Beat his
Oh
ass, beat his
shit!
ass.
Oh my
Let's
god,
go.
we literally had nothing.
Let's go.
That's the last of that
For
squad.
the best.
This dimension's looking up.
I had nothing. She's like,
No, I literally had no bullets. Nothing. I was completely
Reloading.
poor. I had a scout with 5 bullets and a hemlock with 14. Like